Hi, this is Maria from Crochet A to Z, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. And if you have, thank you. I want to thank you all for being here. I want to just say that we've got a lot of new tutorials coming, new Afghan stitches, new one-day projects, weekend projects, Christmas projects, bazaar projects. A lot of great projects coming for the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, also some Halloween stuff in there. So please join me as we do that. While I'm here, I want to also say thank you, thank you, thank you for all the well wishes while I'm getting and recuperating from my breast cancer surgery. Thank you very much for all the well wishes, all the loves, the prayers, the support. I really do appreciate it, and it's quite a thing. It felt like great big hugs from all of you. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate it. I'm doing well. Recuperating, still recuperating, doing my tutorials in between, which is great. And I'm talking to you when you're sending me all these great messages. I really, again, do appreciate that. And the next step will be about 5 radiation treatments. I'll be doing that as well. And just continued recuperation. I want to thank you all, my crochet community. I want to thank my family, my husband, my children, their wives, and my grandchildren. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye-bye.